Namaste everyone. For this recipe, the first thing is that you should cut the onions like this structure for a better authentic taste. After that, take 2 or 3 tomatoes and we will cut it into thin slices like this. You should cut this. Next up, for a single clove garlic, well, remove this from its original structure one by one. It seems to be a boring task, but you should thank later for this. Well, you should take 3 to 4 green chilies also. If you want to make your recipe more spicy, then you can add some more also. At this stage, we will use our traditional tool for the grinding. Yes, like this. You can grind it. You can use the modern technique also for the grinding. Finally, you can see the result. Our basic ingredients, the ginger chili paste, onions and the tomatoes are ready to be shallow fried. Meanwhile, we will also check our soaked soya chunks. Perfect. It is ready to be cooked. Now it's time for the kadahi, guys. You can take a pan also if you don't have the typical Indian kadahi. Keep the medium flame and take the oil for frying. Pour some little amount of oil into the kadahi. After that, add this paste and shallow fry it for 1.5 minutes. Keep the flame medium and it's time to add the onions and mix it well with the paste and cook it for 2.5 minutes. Well, at this stage we will also grind our tomatoes by using the mortar and paste. It seems that our tomatoes paste is ready, and also you can see this golden color. Oh my god. Well, mix the paste of the tomatoes with the onions for 2 to 3 minutes, and after that it's time to add our taste makers. Guys, we are adding salt here. You can add as per our taste and mix it so that it spreads out throughout the kadahi. After that, add red chili powder. Add this also as per your taste. Add a little turmeric powder because turmeric is very good for health. You can add it. And this is a typical Indian sabji masala. You can add it as per your taste. And the main character, the catch garam masala, you can use it of any other brand also. Okay, cook it well for 5 to 6 minutes. Once your kadahi look like this, you could add some curd. I am using my homemade curd. You can buy it from the market also. Mix it well for 2 to 3 minutes. Once our gravy is done, you can add the soya chunks. You should squeeze the water and mix it well for another 3 to 5 minutes. I swear you guys, this recipe is much better than my English. You should try once, and this takes a very little amount of masalas, high fancy items. See, our ingredient is ready, and at last, for the noble cause, we will clean our kitchen